Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to get the new emojis on Android, so let's jump right into it. Now if you have heard about or seen new emojis rolling out on Android and you don't have them yet, probably the next system update for your phone will have them. So let's see how we do it. Go to your settings and then look for about phone. In Samsung phones it is usually in the bottom. For Xiaomi phones you'll find it here on the top. Tap on it and then tap on MIUI version for Xiaomi phones. From here wait for a sec. If you find a system update, do it. Once it is installed, you'll probably find the new emojis on your keyboard. Now, if that doesn't work, you can always go to your Play Store and update your keyboard. For my case, it is Gboard. I go ahead and search for it. I try to update it. Once it is updated, go and check. You'll probably find the new emojis like that. Now, if that doesn't work as well, you can try another keyboard. Let's say, for example, try the SwiftK Microsoft keyboard. It's a good one, and hopefully that solves your problem. Now that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.